Hello my friends, welcome to the channel. For today I have this project. This is the whole set of chessboard, and I designed this hook for the lesson today. Remember, you can watch the full playlist with these all pieces, and for a best understanding you can download this drawing and follow the instructions. The best way to learn this CAD software is to download this PDF file and try to do by yourself before I do in this tutorial. To start the design, we can open here, start a new design, create a sketch, and start these lines. 14 for the base, 3 millimeters. Here. 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 We started doing the contour. Here, and create an arc, 3 points, tangent, and start the measurements. 60 millimeters high, 60 millimeters, 14 millimeters in the base, 3 millimeters high, fix this point to the vertical line, 18 millimeters, this is 18 and 4 millimeters, 18, 4 millimeters, 8 millimeters in the vertical, 14 millimeters, 4 and 6, 4 millimeters, 6 millimeters here. Is high, is 30 millimeters. To do that, we can extend this line and constrain this point with this point here. We can break, select this segment and make this as a construction. Apply some fillets, 6 millimeters and 1 millimeter. Here to the base, select the fillet tool, 1 millimeter, enter. This is 6 millimeters here. Confirm the sketch, select the X here. Now we can start to do this upside. Select the upper side, make a rectangle here, fix this center point, this midpoint with this center point, select 4 millimeters. Do this longer than this side. This is 6 millimeters. Select the extrude, minus 6 millimeters. It's a radius of 0.2 millimeters with the fillet tool. 0.2 millimeters. We can copy this feature, select feature, make this 7 and apply. Now we can make a chamfer of 0.2 millimeters. Select the chamfer tool, select all the borders. Here, 0.2 and apply. You can start tune in this side. Now we can start to apply the bricks texture. Select a center plane. Start with a triangular here, here. This needs to be a perpendicular here. This constraint. Hold the shift button, select the middle point. Here. This distance is 3 millimeters. Make this line vertical. Take this point a distance P for project, all the body, and 0.2 millimeters. Now we can create a repeat. Select the tree, and the direction. It's the vertical. The spacing is 3 millimeters. The quantity is 5 millimeters. It is a little bit smaller. This project line we can convert to construction and finish the sketch. Select the revolve tool, select all the profiles, the axis, the middle. Now we have the horizontal lines made. Now we can create the vertical lines. Select the top face here. Create another triangular here. We can create a line in the center. Connect to the triangular, make this construction. If you create this a point here and make this distance 0.2 millimeters here. And fix this 45 millimeters in the perpendicular constraint. Now we can create a circular pattern. Select all the triangulars here, center point, and create 14. Copy. In this first step, we can create an extrude. Just 7 times here. And we can create this minus 3 millimeters. And okay. You can repeat this operation as a rectangular. Select this feature. The axis will be the z-axis. This need to repeat 3 times, and now minus 12 millimeters here in the middle. And that's okay. Another extrude. First we need to unhide this sketch, select the extrude, and select that triangle that we don't use yet. This. Extrude as cut operation, minus 3 millimeters, and the profile needs to be started as offset, minus 9 millimeters. You just need to cut this circle. Hide the sketch here and apply some fillets. In this case is 3 millimeters. 3 millimeters in the base. Okay. This bricks effect I have made it once here in the channel, in the video that I made the chessboard. The link is up here in the side view. If you want to understand better how I do this feature, you can watch this video and learn a little bit more. In the base, we can apply a fillet of 1.5 millimeters, and to finalize, we can create this cut in the middle of the structure. Select the middle plane here. Select the slot by center, here and here. The measurements is 3 millimeters radius, and the distance is 12 millimeters, 40 millimeters, and 45 millimeters. We can apply 3 millimeters radius. There is a horizontal constraint here. 35 millimeters. 45 millimeters. And 12 millimeters here. Now we can extend this line here and here. Select this line and change to normal. Finish the sketch. Revolve this structure, this line, cut operation, and okay. Now we can apply a circular pattern, select the revolve, select the middle axis, 7, and apply. In this lesson, design this hook piece for the chessboard. If you wanna watch how to make this piece, you can click here in the link, the upside view with the playlist with all these pieces. If you like this project, you can subscribe in the channel and comment here below what you want to see more in this channel. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.